Hello everyone, today's video is going to be about the importance of the lead arm. Okay, how important it is for the lead arm in a swing. Okay, and how to use it properly. Okay, the lead arm, if you use it correctly, and it will be doubling the speed, and it will be also have more consistent swing. Okay, for the lead arm, when you do going into the backswing, okay, once you should go back with the arm should be straight, but when you reach near the top of the backswing or at the top of the backswing, there should be no tension at all on the lead arm. Okay, you should not feel any strained or should not feel any resistant. Okay, because different people, golfer has a different body of flexibility. Some can go a lot further on the top of the backswing without tension or very little tension. Okay, so some people can only go up to the past the shoulder level, and they're starting to feel the tension and the resistance on the lead arm. Once you feel that, that's when you know you reach the top of your backswing. Okay, that's when you should be coming down, start to coming down. Okay, again, for the lead arm, there should be no tension and no resistance.